Hello everybody. Today I'm going to today I'm going to show you how to make a website. So, first thing you want to do is you want to go to your desktop, left click, new, go down to new, left click, go down to new, folder. There's a more complicated way to do this, I guess. And you just go over here, click on start, go to computer. Take this down in this users, click on user, go to desktop, then click new folder, but it seems so much easier just to do it right here like this. Or if you wanted, you could do that if you didn't want it to be on the desktop, you wanted it to be somewhere else. I guess you could, if that is really what you want to do. So, I'm going to go over here, and then you want to rename it. Hopefully, you might want to call it something like, I'm going to call it tutorial site, and maybe I might make another video. Yes. So I already have one built. That shouldn't happen to you. You should just I tested this before I did it, or I recorded it, didn't work. So that's the explanation. That's my explanation. But and it will also look just like an empty folder. Actually, I should delete this. Yes, and new. Oh, there. I'm gonna call it tutorial site. Just because I'm not sure if I spelled that right. If I didn't, then you can tell me in the comments. But if you see billions of people telling me I did it wrong, then you don't need to do it. Okay. So, we'll click on tutorial to open it, and then click this button, or you don't need to click this button. This is not, you don't need to do this, but I'm doing this so then you can see the magnifier. I'm just opening it. Then you want to, when you go to the desktop, you want to right click to go to new. I get right click and left click mixed up, because when I was a child, the way I learned left and right, I learned a little bit of a weird way, and so the left click, I always think the left click. So go down to so you want to go over and then click new. Then you want to click text document. Now you do not need to name this because this is not going to last a long time. And now we're going to get into a little bit of coding. So I'm going to enlarge here so then you guys can see a little better, hopefully. And now I'm going to type in the coding. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it because I'm not going to type a lot. Don't be scared. It's 4 lines, and each one is not too many characters. Probably there's one that has maybe 20 characters, so not a lot. Most of them are only 1 word. So let's start. I should just have done it instead of telling you. Stupid. Okay. I shouldn't have said that. I'm stupid. Anyway, there. So HTML is your first tag. These are tags. When you see 2 carets, and inside of that caret will be words, and inside of those words will be letters. And those different letters and different words mean different things. So depending on the different words inside of those 2 carets, this is a caret. That's a caret, but I just highlighted as caret. So between those 2 carets will say something, and I typed in HTML, so that means that inside of that will be HTML, which is, this is gonna sound kind of complicated, but it's the main system used for coding right at this time is HTML5, and so we're typing HTML, but we're not going to type in HTML5 because we're not going to. That's the explanation. Now, next thing is H-E-A-D, head. The head means the top, I guess. It means this part is kind of the head, I guess, and this is the body. The head is the stuff, basically. The head, it's a little weird, but just see here, T-I-T-L-E, title. Now, the title is not actually on this part of the page. If this was a browser, it would be up here. Instead of saying Notepad, it'd say, if I was using Mozilla Firefox, for example, it'd say whatever I type in the title. I'm going to call this My Awesome. My Awesome. There. I'm kind of a slow typer. There. So, My Awesome website. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to end it. End the head. We're done with head. We're going to cut off the head. So, not really. HTML. No, not HTML. I'm going crazy. H-E-A-D. We're not ending the HTML. Remember, don't type in HTML right there. I'm sorry about that. So don't type in HTML right there. Just type in head. So the / head basically indicates whenever you have /, then whatever the beginning tag was, then that means it's an ending tag. So for example, if I was ending the document and I'm done with everything, then I'll type in caret / HTML caret. And remember, this is a caret right here. I'm highlighting and not unhighlighting, I guess. So that's all the coding I'm going to show you, and maybe I'll have another episode. So next thing you want to do is you want to go File, Save As. Then you want to save it as all files, and then you want to save it as index.html, and save it. Now, this is not done yet, but if I double click on it, I believe it will say My Awesome Website, Mozilla Firefox. I have not put anything on the page yet. I'm just showing you how to get the name and how to start it, and I just explained a little bit about HTML. In the next video, we will talk about the body. And that's the white parts right here, the body. Everything's on the website, on the web page. And then we might have some other tutorials coming later. And also this new text document, you don't need this. It's stupid. So that's how you make an HTML document, and that's how you start a web page, and that's a little bit about HTML. Maybe I'll make another episode soon. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.